Sure, and I'm told the goal is to get women off of the streets and out of the legal system for good. Courtroom 13A is not your typical courtroom. But then again, Cleveland Municipal Court Judge Marilyn Cassidy is not your typical judge.
But it's also hard to get clean and sober.
This is the human trafficking specialized docket.
It's essentially modern-day slavery.
A relatively new court with a team approach to helping women who have been identified as victims of human trafficking.
Every one of our victims has been with a clinical professional who has administered a specific screening tool to identify whether or not they are a trafficking victim. We can't just say, well, you were charged with prostitution, so you're going to be in the program.
So far, Judge Cassidy told me about 100 women have taken part in the program. A program, she explained to me, where the women have a treatment team made up of counselors, law enforcement, and advocates behind them for support. Annette Mango is one of those victims who told me she spent the last 15 years on the streets.
Judge Cassidy Court has gave me back not only my second chance, my whole life back.
Karen Stanton is the coordinator of the program. She explained to me that the team meets before court to talk about each case, and she points out that women in this courtroom come from all walks of life.
Women who come from good homes, women who have been abused, women who have, what you would think of as perfectly normal circumstances.
The team gives gifts to women to celebrate each milestone in court. Coffee and cookies in the courtroom and support, something many of these women have never had before. But don't be fooled. If and when the judge needs to be stern, she is. And she tells me the program is making a difference in the lives of women who had no place to go.
And I'm no longer ashamed to admit that, okay, I have a problem, yes, but the whole thing today is that I'm working on it, and I am proud of myself.
Annette is in phase 2 of the program. She is set to graduate in November. Right now she is in transitional housing and she has a job and doing well, she tells me. Lee, Frank.